My name is Dwayne Extol, Head of Content and Internal Communications at Bank of Jamaica. When I started my journey at the Mona School of Business and Management, I really thought I was just earning a degree, but it became so much more than that. Having completed the Masters in Marketing and Data Analytics program, I've been challenged to think deeper, analyze smarter, and connect data with real-world business decisions. Every single course pushed me beyond theory into practical, meaningful application. This program has transformed me and how I approach problems. I'm no longer just looking at numbers or campaigns in isolation. I'm seeing patterns, strategy, and impact on a global scale. What truly stood out for me was the influence of my professors. They don't just teach, they mentor, challenge, and inspire. They've helped shape my mindset to think and operate with a global perspective. MSBM hasn't just prepared me for a career, it's prepared me to lead, adapt, and make meaningful contributions anywhere in the world.
Apply online for a graduate degree today. Global knowledge, regional solutions.